Hey y'all, so I am here back again with another product that I am reviewing and trying and will probably be, playing with a lot. So I got myself an eyelash washing machine. I already have my water inside of it right now. And I'm just trying to get a really good angle, and I will be washing my Beat Down Cosmetics lashes from a girl, Beat Down. I'm gonna be washing my minks today, so I will be back with the video of how I do it. Alright, we're gonna take our first one. Wait, no, actually, all right, time to wash. I'm gonna let mine wash for about maybe a minute. They're not super dirty. I've only worn them maybe 4 times, and every time I wear them, I take the glue off the strips. So, yeah. Prioritize their own washing machines. Eyelash washing machines, maybe. Let's see. Alright. I think I'm gonna let them keep going a little bit more. I'll be back. And I'm gonna give it one more rinse with just water. I'm gonna empty all that out and give it one more solid rinse with just water. All right, final rinse. Okay, so I had to make sure there was no more conditioner in there. And this is the final rinse without the conditioner. Well, that probably wasn't a good idea. And I'm gonna tell you guys why. Because the lashes can actually get caught in the thing that's going down there at the bottom. So that's what the basket is for. So don't listen to me on that part. My bad. Starting over. All right, one more final rinse without the conditioner with the basket. All right, here we go. And they are finished. And they weren't, like I said, they weren't that dirty. So my water is not going to be super dark or anything because, like I said, I've only worn them 4 times. And now I'm going to go and get my eyelash brush and I'm going to brush them out and dry them. I hope this video was helpful and edifying. Y'all have a good day.